Hello students, in this session we'll study about addition program, that is in Shell script, and also we'll see about the how to get command line arguments from a terminal. So let's get start with program. First line is command line, that is starts with hashtag. We'll first create a program here. VI, for creating the programs you need to type here VI command. Then the program name is addition, that is addition of two numbers, so we are giving here the name as addition, and the extension is sh. So enter. In this we need to type first I letter, then it will comes to read mode, writing mode. So here you type hash and then exclamatory symbol / bin and then bash. This is a shell name. This is only for the command line. It will tell you which shell we are going to use. So enter, then echo. Echo is for only it is a printing line or printing statement. In double quotes we are going to write this. Enter first number, it will print as it is this line. Then for next line we are reading one number, so read command is there. Then x, for that variable name is x. Enter, then echo. For addition purpose we need here two numbers, so that's where we are using the first number and the second number, and here the enter second number. Second number, double quotes complete. In next line read the second number, that is variable name is y. Then we need to add these two numbers. For that we require one variable. You can give any name for this, add, or you can use any variable here. So I am using sum as the variable name. Then equals to symbol x, this is your first number. Then addition symbol is there. Then y, this is the addition for two numbers. Then double quotes complete. Here it will do the addition of two numbers. Next line we need to print that addition of two numbers, so the value or the result is stored in sum variable. So echo in double quotes, the result is of the two or the addition of two numbers. So write here addition, and then equals to, we need to fetch the value of the sum, so we require here the dollar symbol, then sum, the variable name, then double quotes complete. So here your programs end and will execute it. For that we need to press here escape first. Escape button is there on your keyboard, so escape button, then shift and colon. With the help of shift button we are typed here colon and then WQ. You can use any method for saving and quitting purpose, so I am using here double quotes WQ and then enter button. So you will now in terminal, so type here sh for executing this program, then addition, this is your name of the program, then .sh, then type enter. Here it is asking for a first value, this is the enter first number, so you can type here any number. I'm typing here, I'm giving here 4 as my input, and then enter. It will ask you for the second number. So second number is 6. You can give here any numbers, for example, and then enter. Automatically, or with the respect of your program, it will give you the answer. So 4 plus 6, it is 10. Your number is, or your result is 10. Next, we'll see about the arguments, that is positional parameters, how it works. For that, we need to write one program, vi, then I'll give your post, then para. This is positional parameter dot sh, and here this is your program. Parameters, positional parameters, it means we are reading the parameters from your terminal at the time of execution. So here the $0 is, it means the program name itself is your output here, and the first parameter is this, and the second parameter is a dollar. With the help of $2 we are getting this, and as same as this, and the dollar hash is used to calculate your parameters. While executing, we'll see this. So escape and the double quotes WQ for the writing and saving and quitting purpose. Enter. So type here sh and the program name dot sh. Enter. So see here, I was not entered here the any arguments. Because of it, it is not showing anything on this, and it is passed the counting. This line is count the all parameters, so it is getting you as 0. Again, I am going to execute it, and here you can pass the arguments BMW, then Ford, then Toyota. Enter. See here, only the 0th position whatever you have, it is showed, but now it is showing the all the parameters also. So the output is this. It has not major difference, that is $, and $@, but the difference we'll see later. The minor difference is there. So same, the output is there. First argument is BMW, so this one. The second one is Ford, and the third one is Toyota. It is separated by space, so that's what is considered as the next argument. So the total argument is 3. We'll stop here. Thank you.